Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add a story to your highlights without adding it to your story. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy. Now tap on Story. And now you have to hide story from all of your followers so that they don't see it. Remember, if you have many followers, then you have to select all of them. Since I have only one follower in this account, I'll just select him and continue. Now go back and let's add a story. I'll just select a photo from my gallery. I'll just randomly select a photo. And share it to my story. And now you have to wait for 24 hours to add it to your highlights. But let's assume that 24 hours has passed. So now let's tap on the story and tap on the highlight at the bottom of the screen. Now name your highlight and tap Add. And the story will be added to your highlight. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.